What's up, Dr. Connor fans? Anyways, I went to the store and bought me a Sprite for my 25th subscriber special video. And these awesome shirts. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm a mostly, a moist, a moist, ugh, a mossy oak fan. Sorry, guys. Anyways, let's get cracking. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, oh, so fizzy. uh, Ladies, if you're watching this, please excuse my burping. For the Dr. Carson. Okay, no, seriously, guys. Okay, no more burping. I know y'all. I'll try to not burp. Yeah, hang on. Every time I go over here, it's a nice, polite way of excusing myself. I hope the camera doesn't get this. I'm so sorry, Dr. Connor fans and any ladies that are watching, but it did come with it too. Oh, 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 oh. Doing good. Oh, oh, oh. This is my burp bag. I'm sorry, ladies, if you're watching this. I can't do that without burp. I'm so sorry. This was suggested by the fans of Dr. Connor. So yeah, if you're mad about their burping, go talk to them. And for the Dr. Connor fans, the greatest fans and more. Well, like my videos, hit my subscribe button, and leave a nice comment. Ooh, I'm not gonna sleep off tonight.